Welcome back to Sport Relief 2008 on BBC Two.
Yes.
Yeah, and you've just seen Top Ground Gear Force. And I have to say,
Sorry.
honestly,
Can't believe
Richard, that was so awful. That was like butt-clenchingly embarrassing.
I'm
wasn't
sorry.
it?
I'm sorry.
What did you do?
Well, the thing is, Sir Steve Redgrave really didn't know. I mean, it was a real, genuine surprise. We like to do things properly
Can
on
I just say
Top Gear,
something?
and
Look
we
at me
we
like
did.
that again. Look, he looks like Puss in Boots from Shrek. You know when he does that with his hat? Do it to the camera. Can you do it to the camera? Look.
Or Clint Eastwood, one or the
Yes,
other.
or Clint Eastwood,
He
yes.
didn't know. He had no idea. So we got out of the car, and the shed was on fire.
And he hates surprises.
Well, two things about Sir Steve Redgrave to know. One, he hates surprises more than anything else in the world. Two, he loves his lawn.
And one other thing, he's very, very big.
He's a big lad.
Yeah.
And we surprised him by ruining his lawn.
Let's have a quick look at his face when you surprised him.
Yeah.
It wasn't a please. No, that's not a please. What we did was hide behind Jeremy. Yeah.
And
Who
what
ran
did
away?
Jeremy do?
He
Yeah,
ran
exactly.
away. Yeah, it wasn't a brilliant idea, as it turned out.
So did you deliberately trash his garden?
No,
or was
you
it...
see, the thing was, we
come on.
had a plan, and it started off. It went badly wrong from
The
beginning to end.
cement was really mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The digger on its side, the crane, and none of it went well. It turns out gardening's really difficult. You wouldn't have thought it.
They make it look so easy, those guys.
Yeah, well, we've proved that it isn't. It's
But-
really difficult.
Is he talking to you now? Because you did share a stage earlier on.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
I saw them speaking back there.
I
was
ran
he shouting?
away. Can I just say, Sir Steve is an amazingly good sport, and I've got to say a massive thank you to him for even speaking to us after he'd seen all of that. I'd also like to thank Steve's wife, Lady Anne, and his loyal PA Mel, who helped organise everything, because it couldn't have happened without you. And thanks again to Steve
Yeah.
for allowing him still to be his wife and Steve's PA after that. Thank you, Sir Steve. Sorry.
Thank you very much.
Sorry.
Forgive him.
Sorry.
He looks like Puss in Boots. Soon, we'll be handing you over to Paddy and Claudia on BBC One, and they've got a fantastic lineup of entertainment for you. Jonathan Ross has been especially busy.
Yep, not only will you be able to see the historic first TV meeting of Ross versus Parky. Imagine that. But you'll also discover what happened when Jonathan threw down the gauntlet to his tennis buddy Jimmy Carr. Wasn't exactly Wimbledon finals. Here's a taster.
Since the dawn of mankind, titans have clashed in the world of sport.
Watch and learn, Wozecki.
What worries me the most